Hello guys! So let's do an unboxing or ano ba yun? Haul pala. Haul with the things that I bought from the United Kingdom, and isasama ko na rin dito yung pinamili ko for my colleagues para medyo mas madami. So let's start with that. So yung may dalawa akong colleagues na nagpabili ng shoes na yung On na brand. Kasi yung wala pang On na store mismo dito sa Philippines, and I think makakabili ka lang ng On shoes through a reseller, which is a lot more expensive than if bibili ka from the On store in Europe. Kasi this brand is, I believe, originally from Switzerland. And good thing as well is that maraming on sale na mga shoes doon, including the On brand. And syempre mga Adidas, ganyan, Nike, but also On brand. So, ayun. So, I got it cheaper pa because of the discount. So, let's start with this one for my friend na babae. So, I bought her a Cloud Swift 3 in White Frost colorway. So, ito yung pinabili niya sa akin. Size 6 women, and ito siya. Very simple lang naman na parang all white shoes. Yan, ganda. Then, and nabili ko to actually sa Bicester Village, dun sa, saan na yun? Sa outlet store sa may Oxford. So yan, and the price for this is actually from 150 pounds down to just 90 pounds. So imagine, 40% off. So that's that. And then next is another On para naman sa ka-teammate ko na lalaki. This is size 9. And this is the Cloud Tilt in Rock Ivory colorway. So ito siya. So ito naman siya, guys. Ang ganda rin. And trinay ko siya, and sobrang comfortable niya sa feet. Because I think of the cloud technology dito sa my sole. But yan, ayun lang siya. Rock Ivory. And I think sa mga reseller, yung etong colorway, kasi medyo madaming ganitong colorway. Parang common siya. Pero sa mga reseller, parang nagre-range to ng 11 to 13k pesos. But this one, I got this since naka-discount din to ng, I think, ano ba? 20 or 20% off ata. And sa ano ko naman to nabili? Sa Foot Locker sa may Edinburgh. So I got this from 150 pounds down to 119.99 pounds. So 120 pounds. So from 150 to 120. So yan. Diba? Laki ng discount. Tapos next naman is ito. Binilan ko si mother ng hikaw from ano nga yun? Goldsmith ba yun? Na store. Ito lang siya. Very, very simple. Kasi sabi ni mother, wag na daw bag yung bilhin ko sa kanya. Parang hikaw. Hikaw naman daw. Or any jewelry. So, eto. Nagpatulong ako sa friend ko para bilhin siya. Or pumili at least. So, very dainty lang. Na may mga parang ano ba tawag doon? Stone. Mga stone. Nakikita ba, guys? Ayan. So, sa may Edinburgh ko din ito nabili. And then, next is this one. Sa may London ko na ito nabili. And it's just a coffee mug. Yung new collections ko now, mga coffee mug naman. Yun yung cute oh. So meron na tayong London, tapos ano pa, yung holder niya is the Big Ben. So parang 2-in-1 na siya. So may London print and then the Big Ben na holder niya. Or ano bang tawag dito? Basta, yan, yung hawakan niya. Super cute. Sa London ko ito nabili sa mga souvenir shops. And then another coffee mug, of course, from Edinburgh naman. So ito, super simple lang na print ng Edinburgh. Ayun, Edinburgh. And then, syempre, a bunch of ano nga to? Ref magnets. So binilang ko yung mga friends ko and ibang mga colleagues ko din. Ito, mga ref magnets lang to. Hindi ko napapakita. So basta ito. So halo-halo na to. Ito sa Edinburgh, parang 3 lang yung nabili ko kasi para sa akin na lang tsaka sa mga ate ko. Tapos, kasi mahal eh. Parang 3 for 10 pounds. Eh, sa London nakakita kami ng parang 6 for 10 pounds. So, yun. So, mas marami nabili sa London kaysa sa Edinburgh. So, or sa Scotland. So, yun. And now we go to the main event. Wow. So, let's start with the LV na nabili ko sa LV sa may London. Oh, well, both naman to sa London. So, ito, planned ko talagang bilhin siya. So, pinag-ipunan ko, ganyan, kasi I really want a new wallet. And, itong nabili kong wallet, this is not the original one that I want to purchase. Pero kasi, yung gusto kong bilhin, out of stock siya. Yun yung may print na, yung may print siya ng train, tapos color blue, or may color green version. Basta i-post ko na lang yung itsura niya. Pero it's out of stock anywhere in the United Kingdom. So we've checked an LV store in Edinburgh, wala. And then when we went back to London, wala din sila nun. So I had to go for my second option, which for me parang mas okay. Kasi ang ganda pala nito sa personal. This is the, ito, pakita ko na lang. So I'm really happy that I got this one instead. Pero I would have still wanted yung original one na gusto ko. It's just that I think it's a collector items type ng mga wallet. So kaya, well, yun yung sabi sa store. So kaya mabilis siyang naubos and very limited lang yung stocks talaga when it was released, I believe in July this year. So kaya naubos. Although may mga version pa rin sila nung mga pocket organizer, but I didn't really like that one kasi it's too small for my needs. So I went for the second option and here it is. Ta-da! Diba? Very classic. Just the classic LV monogram na style or design, pero with the animal prints. Ano, oh, cute. Super, super nice. And then this is the insides. Tapos ayan, meron lang siyang talagayan ng mga cash. Kasi the wallet that I really like, gusto ko talaga yung may print. Ayoko nung very parang plain lang na wallet. So gusto ko may print, and that's why I went for this one. Kasi although it's the classic monogram, pero at least may mga animal prints. So diba? So nice. And I think hindi naman to magiging dumihin compared doon sa Gucci wallet ko na. Dumi-dumi na guys. Kaya gusto ko munang gumamit ng ibang wallet. So pagpapalit-palitan ko silang dalawa. Pero yun, it's super nice. And this one, I got this for 400 something pounds. Magkano na nga? Wait lang. So, quite expensive, pero laban lang. Kasi, tatrabaho naman tayo. So, this one is for 435 pounds. Yeah, it's very, very pricey for a wallet. So, 435 pounds. And, ang pangit lang pag sa UK kayo bibili ng mga luxury goods, wala silang tax refund. So, quite sad, but it's okay. So, yan. Balik ko muna. But I'm gonna start using this na. And for our main event, the Gucci shoes. So, I bought this from the Bicester Village Outlet Shopping Center as well. So, I really have no intention to buy shoes for this trip. And di ba bumili pa ako ng isang shoes pala, yung ano din pala, yung gamit kong, ano na ngayon, Adidas na Samba na binili ko din. Pero hindi ko napapakita guys kasi medyo madumi na. Pero yon, so yun lang dapat yung intention kong bilihin, like one pair of shoes. And since nakabili na nga ako nung Samba, nung pagdating ko, hindi na ako bibili sana ng shoes. Pero and nung pumunta kami sa Bicester Village, the only thing that I want to buy there is the shoes for my colleague, yung friend kong babae. Kasi nga, mura doon. Nakita ko online that they have big sales there for the On Cloud shoes. And that's why I asked my friend, si Abby, and si Sean, na doon na lang pumunta, mag-spend ng time for that particular day. So, yun lang yung plano kong bilhin. And then, I saw the Gucci store and sabi ko lang, sige nga, mag-check ako. And then, yung Gucci store kasi doon sa Bicester Village, 2 floors siya. So, yung first floor is for women and the second floor is for the men's. So, doon lang kami sa women initially. And then, nagpunta ako dun sa sneaker section ng women's area. And nakita ko yung colorway na to ng shoes. And I was really, really drawn to it. Kasi nga, ang ganda niya sa personal. Tapos tinignan ko yung price. It was more than half the original price. Kaya sabi ko, parang ang laki nung discount. Kaya sabi ko, sige nga, i-check ko sa men's section. So, pumunta na ako sa second floor. And then, nakita ko rin siya doon. Available siya sa men's section for the same price na more than 50% discount. So sabi ko, sige na nga, bilhin ko na and magwo-work na lang ako ng maigi pagbalik. So ayun, so I had to get it. So let's go ahead and unbox this, guys. Although may separate unboxing video naman ako. Ay, grabe. But it's okay. So let's start with the price first. So it was down from 710 pounds to 320 pounds. So imagine, more than 50%. I believe mga 55% siya. 55% discount. And grabe guys, sobrang lalaki ng mga discounts doon sa Bicester Village. So kung madami kayong pambili, especially ng mga luxury items, pumunta kayo doon. Kasi it offers a lot of discounts and big discounts. Even my friend, nakabili siya ng Michael Kors bag for her mom and a wallet. And parang mga less than 100 pounds lang. Hindi ko napapakita yun, no? Kasi papadala ko yun sa family niya sa Cavite. Pero yun, ang lalaki ng discount doon, guys. So kung pupunta kayo ng London and may budget kayo for shopping, visit the Bicester Village in Oxford because they offer big discounts. Anyway, enough for the talking. So ayan, ito mga paperworks lang. And let's do this. Ching. Are you ready? Ready? Oh, ganda, di ba? By the way, if naririnig nyo yun guys, yung laundry ko yun. Yung washing machine. Pero yun, ito yung shoes. So, super nice. And very, very simple lang siya. Ayan, nandito lang yung Gucci branding niya. So this is called, actually wala siyang name sa box, pero nung ni-research ko siya online, this is Gucci G74 Low in oatmeal and great white colorway. So ayun. G74, yeah. Ayan, super nice. Para lang din siyang yung Gucci na Ace ko. Gucci Ace na yung may B. Pero instead of B, ayan, yung classic Gucci na mga lines. Tapos gum sole yung ito niya. Ay, tapos may suede ng konti dito. Para lang din siyang Samba, no? Na picker. Kasi ito leather naman siya. This is leather. I believe this is calf leather ba? Yeah, tennis calf. So, ang tawag nila dito is tennis shoes, di ba? So, yan. So, this is in calf leather. Tapos, nandyan din yung Gucci branding niya. And let's unbox the second one. Ayan. Tapos ito yung ilalim niya. Ayan, typical lang din na may Gucci dito. Ay, yung Gucci na B. Tapos, Gucci logo. And I was looking for a size 8 UK, pero wala. So, I went for the 8.5, which is fine. Kasi hindi naman din siya ganun kalaki. Ay, ayan na siya. Super duper happy with this. Natap ko ata yung mic. Sorry guys. But yan. Can't wait to use this. At least meron na akong masusuot na iba from the Gucci Ace. Or kapalitan ng, or basta yun. So may iba na akong magagamit other than my Gucci Ace when it comes to mga white leather shoes. So yan. And ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga is itong stripe niya. Kasi ganda. Green, red, green. Super nice. And imagine, mas mura pa to sa wallet, di ba? Pero yan lang naman yung aking mga pinabili. And also a lot of chocolates, pero hindi ko napapakita kasi nasa ref naman. Tsaka bumili ako ng mga chocolates for my family and some of my friends as well. And bumili rin ako ng shortbread for myself. So yun lang yung aking unboxing guys, and later na ulit.